Hello friends, welcome back to the software testing YouTube channel. It's my second video about the validation. Previous video is that what is the verification and how it's working principle, what is the main aim of the verification. If you not see that video, please see this video and check out in our channel. This video is about all about the validation. What is the validation, how it's working in a current based system, live system, and what is the main aim of the validation. Today we discuss about the validation. What is the validation? First of all, we understand the definition of the validation. What is the definition of validation? So validation is nothing but validating the functionality according to the executing test cases is called a validation. Validation is very simple. Validation means validating that functionality, that particular functionality according to the executing test cases. Execute the test cases and validating that functionality. I also described in a SDLC video. Please check out this SDLC video. What is the software development lifecycle and how it's work. In that video, I was told about the test cases and test scenario. What is a test scenario and what is the test cases? Validation is very simple and software testing is very simple. I will give one example to validating functionality. So what is a validation? Consider you have a one login functionality. You have a one login Facebook functionality. We validating the login functionality. So what is the validation for login functionality? Login functionality for validation is that validating that user is entering correct email ID and correct password and click on the submit button or login button. User is able to successfully log in into the Facebook. So that is a one test case. Test cases is a collection of different steps, so you understand easily. So validating that user is able to log in successful with valid credential is one test cases. The second test case is we will check the validating that user is not able to log in with Facebook with incorrect password. That is the second test cases. If my test cases is passed, I log in successfully into the Facebook. That test cases is passed. If I enter the valid credential and click on the login button, then Facebook gives me one error or blank page. So that test case is goes fail. So that is the one of the example of the past test cases and the one of the example of the fail cases. The main aim of the validation is that building a product right. If your product is right, so your quality of the product is right. Product is right, then testing is right. Your validation is right. That is all about the validation video. If you have any query or doubts in validation, so you will feel free to ask me. I will give example, give your question answer. Thank you.